Today is Sunday, August 5th, 2012. I am Pashawn Washington. Welcome to this edition of your New Shiloh News. Deepest sympathy is extended to Sister Willie B. Hammond and the loss of her brother. The homegoing service is incomplete. We also extend deepest sympathy to Sister Lena Wade and the loss of her sister. The homegoing service is incomplete. We are once again reading through the Bible in a year. You can use any version of the Bible as well as the audio Bible. This exploration is sure to increase your knowledge of God's Word and your spiritual walk with God. You can access the scriptures for the week in your bulletin and on our website. The New Shiloh Baptist Church family will be honoring Pastor Powell with a pre-anniversary luncheon on Saturday, October 6, 2012 at 11 a.m. in the Treetop Ballroom at Jungle Island. Our guest speaker will be Bishop Victor T. Curry of New Birth Baptist Church. Tickets are $45 each, $450 for a table of 10. Tickets will be on sale starting Sunday, today after each service. Tickets are $45 each, $450 for a table of 10. Tickets will be on sale starting today after each service. Please see someone from the TPAC committee in the lobby after each service. All ministries are asked to purchase a table. NSNBC Fun on a Sunday is Saturday, August 11th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at C.B. Smith Park. Come out and join us for a day of fun, food, and fellowship. Each person is responsible for the cost of their entrance fee of $1.50 per person at the park. Sign up in the lobby today and throughout the week to participate in the field games listed in our bulletin. Deadline to sign up is August 5th. The Florida General Baptist State Congress of Christian Education will take place in Orlando, Florida, beginning this Monday, August 6th through Friday the 10th. Men's Bible study will be here this Saturday, August 11th at 8 a.m. in the Fellowship Hall. All men are encouraged to attend. Breakfast will be served. The youth ministry is asking all members to donate back-to-school supplies for the upcoming school year. All supplies should be given to Sister Karen Grace or brought to the administrative office. Please pick up a back-to-school supplies list in the lobby today. Thanks in advance for your generous support. The Pastor's Aid Ministry will be celebrating their 46th anniversary here on Sunday, August 19th at 4 p.m. Pastor Curtis Thomas, Senior Pastor of Covenant Baptist Church, Florida City. Please mark your calendars to attend. The Jackson Memorial Hospital mammography van, sponsored by the Susan G. Komen Foundation, will provide free mammograms. This will take place at New Shiloh on October 20th, 2012 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The free screening mammograms are for Miami-Dade resident women between the ages of 35 to 49, insured or uninsured. If your mammogram is abnormal, they will provide a free ultrasound and a biopsy if needed. All eligible women must be registered by September 23, 2012, in the lobby immediately after the 11 a.m. service. Please pick up a flyer in the lobby, and for additional information, contact Sister Michelle McPhee or Sister Yvette Tarver by calling the church at 305-835-8280 and leaving your contact information. This concludes this morning's announcements. For detailed information about these and all other announcements, log on to our website at www.nshilohnbc.org. Don't forget to pray and visit those on our healing and recovery list. Join us Sunday through Saturday on the prayer line at 5:55 a.m. and every Tuesday for noonday prayer in the sanctuary. Join us this Tuesday at 7 p.m. for Bible study. You may listen to A Moment in the Word with Pastor D.L. Powell every Sunday at 7 a.m. on Gospel AM 1490 WMBM. This has been another edition of your New Shiloh News. And until we meet again, have a blessed week and continue to move forward by faith.